Hi everybody, this is Urbansweetheart Teresa. I'm coming at you with a wig review, actually 2 wigs. I did one recently on this unit right here. It's by Chade. I think it's Magic Lace. It's the Yanky twist wig. This time I got it again because I am in love with this wig. Now, I'm going to let y'all know it costs more than I thought before. It costs $60. But this is an investment wig. If you want something quick, easy, stylish, pretty, natural looking, this is the wig. This will take you at least a year, if not more. $60 is well worth it. I got it in a natural color 1B. I just took these out of the thing. See, I was cutting this off and I put my little Ruby Kisses. I'm trying to find something else to use other than that ebon. As you can see, I just trying to get it. Took it out the box and I cut the lace off. I left them baby hairs for y'all. It's item number MLBY12. Magic Lace Yanky Twist 12. And it's from Chade. I think it's newborn free, but Chade. Anyway, just in case y'all don't forgot, comb in the back, adjustable straps, adjustable band, comb on each side. This is the lace. I put, like I said, Ruby Kisses in there. I'm probably going to go back because it looked like I could use some more baby hairs. Now, y'all know me. I'm going to cut these junks off, but I'm going to leave them on for y'all because I'm not really about to, be wearing them out. These is my summer units. Yes, I'm trying to stay cool. It's big head friendly. Big head friendly. Let me get this baby here so y'all can see what you can do with them. I ain't gonna do nothing with them, as you can see. I'm gonna cut them off because I think this wig is so easy to blend if you get this cut the lace close. And I tried to use where they at? These scissors, the serrated type scissors. Like I said before I cut myself off, I used the jagged scissors to try to cut around so I could leave the baby hairs on, but I don't like how that looks. Like I said, I'm myself personally gonna cut it close to the actual Yanky twist and be done with it. But as you can see, that the baby hair don't look bad. Like I said, this just needs to be trimmed down. That's part of the lace. Comes down ear to ear. See, the hair is mixed in with this. So try not to cut it. All right. I don't think I got to cut it. But anyway, y'all know, just pay that no mind. Look at this. Tell me you ain't doing something quick and easy. If I would have had, stop it. If I would have had the baby hairs cut off like I like, all I had to do is throw this on my head and go. Summer approved. Summer approved. This definitely is a summer unit. Definitely, when you get this laid down properly, you're not going to see that. And make sure you tint it because it's light color lace. You want to swoop and do you some baby hair, there you go. Knock yourself out. You want to just go like this and use a little brush. Where my brush at? I don't know, somewhere in here, but I'm going to use this for the moment. Just, just get them loosened or whatever and swoop them out your way or something. I don't know. But then it don't look that bad. Look a little more natural with that. Just have to cut it, maybe put some mousse on it. Just swoop it out your way to try to cover that line if you want to do that. Look at that part. I told y'all before you could change where this part is. You're going to have to pin it or hot water with some mousse or something. Hold that for like a day or two, tied down, and then it should stay over. It should stay over, but just pin it down. Just pin it down. I prefer that middle part, so it ain't no problem for me. You want it longer, so a little mist of water, and then hold it and stretch it. Stretch it. You could get it to come down to your shoulders if you want. I love this pattern. Again, wash it in a machine or by hand. Put it on those little lingerie bags so it doesn't get stretched too much. Get as small bag as you can that this will fit into. And just wash it real fast. Cold water, very cold water. And don't be trying to comb through it or manipulate it. Keep it as tight as you can. Flip it inside out. And you should be fine to wash it. That's how you're going to get so many wears. Because somebody asked me that. Especially if you're going to be wearing this every day. You're not going to wear it every day. Once you get out of it, spray with some disinfectant. Kill any germs or bacteria trying to grow in it. If you sweat a lot or whatever. All right. Yeah, it's very big head friendly. I'm trying to put this under that, what do you call it? Under that band, that loose band. And I didn't tighten it because sometimes them things be giving me a headache. Anyway, let's go around. Okay. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Do not play. All right. Boom. Next color, I went out of my comfort zone. That was 1B. Remember that. I went and got Tanger Ginger. Tanger Ginger. Tanger Ginger. Tanger. Kept the baby hairs on. The baby hairs is dark and not super light. So that's a good thing. You ain't got to worry about having bright orange baby hairs trying to blend it. Remember, I kept these baby hairs on for y'all. Y'all know me. But I kept them on for y'all. Try to make sure this thing recording. Because if it ain't, I'm going to be mad. Now, would I wear this color? Nah, this is not me. If this was some type of honey blonde, yes. That T1B30, whatever, TT1B30, whatever it is, that's my limit on this. Because it's more brownish. But this is very bold. That's a piece of lace. Come on. Very bold color. This is the whole lace. I thought I took it off, but you see how that's light. So you definitely got to tint that up. No, I don't like this color, to be truthful. If I had on all white, all black, maybe I'd get away with it. But somebody that like bright, orangey type hair, auburn type color, yeah, you get away with this. But me, I'll probably go on. Get this to my sister, my mama, somebody. See if they would like it. But should have just got me another dark color. I'll wait and see. Maybe summertime they're going to sell. I'm going to get me another one of the 30 color and another black one. All right, let's go around. Hey, whatever you want to do, you could do. You could try to twist this down. It's been so long since I braided or anything. I'm acting like I don't know what I'm doing. Something with them little clamp things. I like this way. Very versatile. Easy, breezy. Yeah. If you can, pick you up one. basic color, I'd say. If you bold like that, get something like this. I don't know. Did they have a... They have the colors 1B, T1B30, PT427, Dragon Fruit, that's like burgundy, and then this Tanger Ginger. So I was going to get the Dragon Fruit one. I should have. And then, oh well, it is what it is. If I ever catch it on sale, because it don't look like nobody buying them. They feel like, I guess, to make that Yanky twist crochet wig or whatever. I see a lot of videos on that where they've made themselves crochet, you know, style with them, but nobody really is buying this wig. So leave them for me. Put them on clearance, somebody, so I can go get me a whole bunch. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.